Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the OnePlus 11.
I think you've realized it already. If you're long pressing the power button, you wake up the Google Assistant with. But how to power off the phone? For that we will need next to the power button, the volume up button. So if you press these both buttons now for the same time, you will have the power off menu. So just confirm on power off here and the phone will shut down. But there's a way to set up this power button here as a real power button. Let me show you how we can do that. For that, just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, and then you will find here always the symbol for the settings. Tap it. Then you need to scroll down to the point System Settings. So, and here we will have the point Power button. So just tap on the point Power button. And then you can choose what should happen if you press and hold the power button. Actually, we have the voice assistant from Google, but we want to have the first point here, the power menu. And that means whenever you long press now the power button, you will have the power off menu. So just confirm on power off as I said, and the phone will shut down. Yeah. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.